How to set up Phantom wallet to buy Solana NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your own Phantom wallet to buy Solana NFTs. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply search for phantom.app and you will land right here on this platform. Phantom is a Solana based wallet that you can get, and we can buy, trade, and sell NFTs using the Phantom wallet. We will be able to store and buy and trade between different tokens using Phantom. It's a very easy wallet to get and secure. So let's start with the process. Once you are on phantom.app, then what you will do is you will find the option of download right here. So it's available on iOS, Chrome, Brave, and more. So I will be adding it as an extension on my Chrome. Click on download. Once you click on download, it will take you to Phantom download. And now you have to select that where you are actually downloading your Phantom wallet. So you have to select it's for the desktop. So I'm going to select my type, which is Chrome. Once you select Chrome, it will take me to Chrome Web Store, where I will be able to add the extension, the Phantom extension. So we have right here. You can also directly go to chrome.google.com/web store, and then you can search for Phantom. So here we have our Phantom wallet. You will also find the description right here that it's a crypto wallet, and we will be able to get tokens in Solana, and it's very secure, very safe wallet for you guys to get. We also have the updated version now. Click on add to Chrome, and then the process is really simple. We click on add extension. How we usually add an extension. So it will be downloaded right here. It will just take a few seconds. Once it's downloaded, then you will find the Phantom right here. Now our extension is downloaded. Create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. So if you already had a wallet, a Phantom wallet, you can log in through this option, but we are creating a brand new Phantom wallet. So I will click on create a new wallet. Now we have to create a password. So make sure that you have a very secure password. I will simply go ahead and type in a new password right here. It will also show you that if it's weak or strong. It's medium. Okay, so we can go with this one. I will type it again to confirm. And now we have to click on I agree to terms and of services. Click on continue. And then we have secret recovery phrase. Okay, so I will click on continue. Now it is showing you a keyboard shortcut. You can open your Phantom wallet anytime by using this handy keyboard shortcut, and that's Alt plus Shift plus P. So keep that in mind, and it will help you open up your Phantom wallet anytime. This is the shortcut key. Click on continue, and then we can go ahead and follow Phantom on Twitter, and we can get help. But for now, we will click on finish. Once you click on finish, then it will be shown right here your other extensions, and it will also be added right here. Now I will actually open up a new tab really quickly, and we'll go to extensions and pin Phantom right here. Let's open it up. So once you click on Phantom, it will open up your wallet that you just created. And that is how you simply set up your Phantom. I have a Phantom wallet, and now I can connect it to OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace to simply go ahead and buy NFTs. So I have zero deposit right here, and you can see it is on Solana. So that's my blockchain. So we have this option right here, which is like the home option, and we can create more than one wallet on a Phantom. Then we have this option right here, which is my collectibles, and all of my collectibles that I have will be shown here. Then we have the swap option ready, which is that you can quickly swap your Solana into USDT, into Serum, Ethereum, anything you want to. So let's say that you have 10 Sol, and it will just take a second. So you can convert your Sol into Ethereum. For example, you will type what you want to convert, and it will be converted, what you will receive, what you will pay, and what you will receive. Then we have the best price shown here. We have tolerance rate, we have estimated fee, and price impact. So let's say that you want to pay in USD or Solana, you will enter your price, then you can select any of these different blockchains and coins and you can convert it. I will open up Phantom again. So Phantom is actually not available as a like expanded. You cannot open it up in a window because it's an app. And if you are using it on your mobile phone, then it's like more efficient. But we can, of course, use it on our desktop. To add a new wallet, I have wallet one. To connect a new wallet or to add a new wallet, you can click on add wallet and you can create a brand new wallet on Phantom again. You can have more than one wallet. And then we have import private key and connect hardware wallet. So if you want to like use your Ledge wallet, you can connect from here. If you want to import an existing wallet, you can use this option. And again, we can click on create a new wallet. Let's go back. So I will close this. Now we have this option as well, which is the recent activity, and then we get the settings. So in settings, we have display language, address book, and trusted apps. We can actually configure our trusted applications right here. So if we go back to home, we have deposit option. So deposit any funds. You can go ahead and buy with MoonPay, or you can transfer from FTX. We have Solana and Everyone coin. So you click on this plus button right here and it will allow you to add a token metadata. You can add a mint address, name, and symbol. Click on add and it will be added right here. So that's how you simply add a new metadata. Let's go and click on buy with MoonPay, and now it will allow you to connect your MoonPay right here to your Phantom, and you will be able to deposit money very quickly using MoonPay with just one click. So that's how it works on Phantom. And we can also transfer from FTX. That is how it is. It will show you that how much balance you have, how much deposits, how many funds, how much funds you have in your wallet. Then we have the send option. And in send, we have Solana right here. So if you click on plus, then again, you can add a new metadata. You simply select from where you want to send. For example, I want to send Sol. I want to send Solana. Let's say that I want to send Sol. So all I have to do is simply enter any wallet. It should be a Sol wallet, okay? You will enter the recipient Sol address right here and enter the amount. Let's say that I want to send them 100 Sol, and I will just add their wallet address right here. Click on next and I will be able to send them money, and that is how we simply send money. We simply send Sol from our Phantom wallet, and that is how we can send a Sol to any Phantom wallet. If you want to connect your Phantom wallet to buy NFTs, then of course you will open up any NFT marketplace. For example, we have OpenSea right here, and if I go to wallet option, it will allow me to connect a Phantom wallet. You can see we have the Phantom option on OpenSea. I can connect my Phantom wallet to OpenSea to buy, sell, and trade in Solana NFTs. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to set up Phantom to buy and sell Solana NFTs. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.